all the mirrorless are a little bit, I'm mirrorless, don't touch me, don't take me out, I don't want dust, I don't want water, you know what I mean? They're a little bit more posh, while the DSLR cameras are the veterans when it comes to bad weather conditions. Take my SD card out and go for drinks. I just forgot how to say thank you in Italian. Grazie, 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 buono, bene, buono, pizza, pizza, spaghetti carbonara. Ooh la la. I shoot with the Nikon D7200. The settings I have are ISO 640, f3.5 and shutter speed 1/30. It's wrong because I'm supposed to have 1/60 because it's double of the frame rates. I'm shooting 1080p, 30 frames per second, and I think if I try with my ISO a little bit higher, it might be grainy. I really hope that you can see and I can see while I'm editing myself. Beautiful lens is 18 to 105 millimeters. So hello to Nikon D7200 and Canon M50. The thing is, I think both of them are having good quality when it comes to video, and I just wanted to see if you, Nikon, are worthy, because if you're good when it comes to video, things like that, I can invest in an external monitor. And about you, think I need to just 6. So we're talking about 640 ISO f2.2, basically f2, just the one, and 100. Yeah, I think it works well with both of the cameras. I'm just gonna need to buy an external monitor for the Nikon and have tried more. I think both results must be similar. They are not full frame cameras, they are cropped sensor, but that's fine. I get used to it. I never had the full frame. I will one day. And I really think that Nikon or Nikon, whatever, that's the name, the beast when it comes to photography, stills, yeah. Also, you cannot rely on Nikon M50, while battery-wise, you need at least 3-4 batteries with you. You're going to travel the entire day, basically not more than 4 batteries. And Nikon D7200, you can have just 1 battery or the battery grip and you're good to go for 2 days. Honestly, if you want to take the Nikon D7200 outdoors, still from dust and it's weather sealed too, while the Nikon, take it, so it's M50 is not, it's not weather sealed, and it's pretty, the mirrorless are a little bit, I'm mirrorless, don't touch me, don't take me out, I don't want dust, I don't want water, you know what I mean? So they're a little bit more posh, while the DSLR cameras are the veterans when it comes to bad weather conditions, dust and everything. So yeah, I guess that having a DSLR like the Nikon D7200, Nikon D7500, Nikon D7500, the 850, all of these DSLR cameras are the best. So, that's all pretty much. I mean, I don't have something else to say. I'm so excited and I'm looking forward basically to turn off this camera, my SD card out, and go for drinks. I strongly believe, I have a feeling basically that the footage must be. What do you think? If I managed to upload this video, because as I said, I have no idea if it's gonna be nice, but you know, to be honest, if it's not, I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna write it on the top of the video, maybe there or here. Sorry, I apologize, you know. I apologize for the footage, I don't know, but it didn't work. This is what I'm gonna say. But I think that it works. You know, I guess so, because I just check on my camera everything. It looks like it works, but let's see on my MacBook. And like, subscribe, comment, and say hi. Hi. See you in the next one, but till then, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Birthday, and Kidder Happy Hippo. Share it and say to everybody out loud, subscribe to this crazy little girl. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say while you're still here. Of course, I have so many things to do and appreciate the time with myself. That's a luxury I have here, you know?
I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got changes through, I don't care about no gold. Been incredible, always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world, yeah, top of the world.